Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to make decals in Roblox. So first, you need to go here on the homepage of your Roblox and try to sign in your account. Now click on this create button. Then you will go on this page here on creations. Now you want to go here on development items at the right side of your screen. So just click this one. And then once you click this one, you'll go here on the decals right here and just want to scroll down. And then all you need to do is just click upload asset, then go to upload and just upload your logo right here. So for example, I just want to use logo channel just like this from here. Just click this one. And once you've done here, you want to change the name, just only fast fix right here. And you can add also description. And once you've done, click this upload button. And once you've done right here, creating some decals, all you need to do is go back to the Roblox homepage. And then click on the three lines at the top left corner. And then from here, you want to click this inventory option. And from here, as you can see, some categories here. And just all you need to do is just find that decals here. So for example, these decals from here, just click this one and you'll find that decals that you made here on your Roblox. So that's how you basically make decals in Roblox. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.